The most important investment you will make this decade. I am staking my entire reputation on this one call, and I know I'm right. I've never been so sure of a 500% plus gain. This is going to be the most important video you watch this year, because what I want to show you is undeniable evidence that points to a specific investment seeing net worth changing gains over the next 24 months. Due to some foul play by industry insiders and misinformation by the financial media, I believe silver is likely the most undervalued asset available to investors today. I want to show you how I, my family, and subscribers of the Future Money Trends letter intend to profit. Sometime in 2017, if we remain at current prices with silver below $20 per ounce, the world is going to face a major supply disruption in a key resource that we all use on a daily basis. Even as you watch this, we are all silver dependent, since this precious metal is in your phone, computer, and even the electrical lines that are powering all of your technology. Silver is used for healthcare, pharmaceuticals, water treatment, solar electrical grids, vehicles, bandages, RFID chips, weaponry, and thousands of other everyday uses. However, the biggest increase in demand is coming from physical investment demand. With negative interest rates and a global depression unfolding, physical demand for this metal is surging. This is where I see a significant opportunity for investors today. You see, 75% of silver actually comes from non-primary silver producers, mines that are actually developed to produce copper, gold, and zinc. These are mines that, due to an anemic economic demand, are shutting down. In the past year, we've seen massive mine closures from Glencore and Freeport, as well as literally hundreds of thousands of layoffs in 2015 from large mining companies. Because of this, we are actually seeing a reduction in silver production at a time when silver demand is exploding. And when you look at the driver for demand, industrial and monetary, it is only going to increase dramatically between now and 2020. However, available new silver supply is likely to see a cliff dive in 2017 due to the depression we are seeing in copper and zinc prices. We are seeing steep declines already in countries like Canada and Australia. And this doesn't even exploit the fact that silver itself has seen peak production. For example, in the silver state of Nevada, silver production is down 55% in the last 20 years. In Canada, billion-dollar giant Hudbay, in their last investor conference call, literally stated that one of their most profitable mines, the 777 mine, was now approaching the end of its life. The equation is simple for prudent investors. Silver supply over the next 2 to 3 years could decline dramatically, and in all likelihood, physical demand is going to hit records. Total supply for 2014 was 1 billion ounces, and the demand was equal. However, once we get the numbers for 2015, we expect to see a deficit, one that could potentially widen by a lot between now and the middle of 2017. Hidden in those numbers is new mine supply, which was only 819 million ounces versus the over 1 billion ounce demand. Filling the void was recycled silver, which has fallen for 3 consecutive years. In 2011, it was 258 million ounces. In 2014, recycled silver had fallen to 168 million ounces. The world faces a silver shortage, or an increase in the price, and we believe the second option is more likely, yet the shortage may still happen, because it will take years to bring new silver production online due to rising prices or a global economic recovery in the price of copper. Here's how FutureMoneyTrends.com members and I plan to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in silver. 1. A silver portfolio must start with physical silver. This is either in coins like the American Eagle or Canadian Maple Leaf, or bullion rounds and bars, ideally from a government mint like the Canadian Royal Mint or a long-standing bullion company. To get the best price, avoid any numismatic coins or higher-priced premium products. Buy as close to the spot price as possible by acquiring silver in 100 to 500 ounce increments. 2. Own high-quality primary silver producing companies. Our top stock suggestion is First Majestic Silver, trading on the New York Stock Exchange under AG. They have 6 silver-producing mines, 2 advanced stage silver projects, and are soon set to achieve an annual production of 20 million ounces of silver. Ag is also one of the lowest cost producers, with an all-in sustaining cost of approximately $11 per ounce. First Majestic Silver is the purest publicly traded silver producer, generating 69% of its revenues from silver. Compare that to other well-known names like Pan American Silver, where 46% of its revenues come from silver, or Hecla Mining, where just 31% comes from silver. It's headed up by Keith Neumeyer, one of the most successful resource entrepreneurs alive, who has recently forecasted a $100 silver price. 3. Our third recommendation to profit from rising precious metal prices is truly an insider's play in the industry. This includes shareholders like Eric Sprott, Rick Rule, Doug Casey, and Marin Katusa. Due to its low share price of under $1, this may not be for everybody. So we suggest viewers to go to futuremoneytrends.com/silver 2016 to learn more. Looking at silver's past moves in history, futuremoneytrends.com is expecting to see shock and awe in the markets as our forecast for a rising silver price plays out. Please keep yourself fully updated on the developments in this market by visiting futuremoneytrends.com/silver 2016.